Hello, hello! Welcome to the Luana English Podcast. I'm Luana, and I am so excited to be here with you today. We are learning English together, one step at a time.
And I'm Josimar. Hi, everyone. I'm happy to be here, too. Luana, I'm looking at my phone right now, and I'm thinking technology is everywhere.
It really is. And that is our topic for today. We are talking about AI, artificial intelligence, and how to use tech vocabulary in English.
This is a great topic because even if you are a beginner, you probably already use words like app, click, or online.
Exactly. Let's dive in. So, Josimar, I have a secret. I spent 2 hours last night talking to ChatGPT.
2 hours? Were you lonely, Luana?
No, I was practicing my English. It's amazing. You just type a prompt, a question or a command, and the AI answers immediately.
That's a smart way to use it. Many people use automation now to do their work faster. For example, I use a tool to schedule my emails automatically.
I need to learn how to do that. Sometimes I feel a bit tech illiterate. Is that a word?
Close. We say not very tech-savvy. But don't worry, even the smartest computers need humans to give them good instructions.
True. I noticed that if my input is bad, the answer is bad.
Exactly. In the tech world, we have a saying, garbage in, garbage out. If you give the AI a messy prompt, you get a messy answer.
I'm also trying to learn about machine learning. It sounds like the computer is going to school.
In a way, it is. It looks at millions of examples and learns patterns. It's like how our listeners learn English, by listening to us and finding patterns in how we speak.
Wow, so we are like developers for our listeners' brains?
I like that. But tell me, Luana, do you think AI will replace teachers?
I don't think so. AI is a great tool, but it doesn't have a human touch. It can't tell a joke like you do, Josimar.
Well, my jokes are pretty bad, so maybe the AI can replace those.
Okay, let's look closer at 2 important things we said. Josimar, you used the word prompt. Can you explain that for an A2 student?
Great question. A prompt is just a set of instructions. When you use AI, you don't just talk, you input a prompt. Example, write a prompt to ask for a recipe. In English, we use it as a noun, the prompt, and sometimes as a verb, to prompt someone to do something.
Perfect. And I want to talk about the phrasal verb log in. We use this every day with tech.
Right. You log in to your account with username and password, and when you finish, you log out. Grammar tip. You can also say sign in or sign out. They mean the same thing.
One more. Check for updates. My phone asks me to do this every week.
An update is a newer, better version of your software. If your app is glitchy or slow, you probably need an update.
Let's review 5 keywords from today's episode. 1. AI, artificial intelligence, computer systems that can perform tasks that usually need human intelligence. Example, I use AI to help me translate documents. 2. Prompt, an instruction or question given to a computer or AI. Example, if you give a clear prompt, the AI gives a better answer. 3. Automation, using technology to do a task without a human doing it every time. Example, automation helps factories build cars very fast. 4. Tech savvy, knowing a lot about modern technology and how to use it. Example, my younger brother is very tech savvy. He fixed my laptop in 5 minutes. 5. Tool, something that helps you do a job. Example, this podcast is a great tool for learning English.
This was a fun one, Luana. Technology can be scary, but the vocabulary doesn't have to be.
Exactly. To our listeners, your challenge today is to log in to an AI tool and type one prompt in English. Just say, "Hello, how are you?" and see what happens.
Practice these words today, and you'll be tech savvy in no time.
Thanks for listening to the Luana English Podcast. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye.
Goodbye.